Hi guys, how are you? Teacher Mario here. Before today's lesson, please check out our Instagram account abcenglish.tv where I share grammar notes, exercises, and more for you to do on your own pace. The link will be in the description. Now we're going to start with the first topic from Unit 2, past modals and phrasal modals of obligation. Now, past modals and phrasal modals of obligation are used to describe obligations in the past, although they have slightly different uses, and some past modals and phrasal modals of obligation are stronger than others. The expressions we're going to use are be supposed to, have to, should have, needed to, and didn't have to. And those five phrases are divided in two categories, mandatory and optional. As you know, mandatory is something that must be done because it is a rule or a law. On the other hand, optional, it is the opposite. It is left to one's choice, not required nor mandatory. First, be supposed to, which expresses expectation. There was a general expectation that an action was required or prohibited, and it is structured as be supposed to plus infinitive. For example, number 1. She was supposed to talk to my professor after class, but she probably didn't. Number 2. He wasn't supposed to drive the car to school, but he probably did. Now have to, which is for strong obligation, and it is used to show that there was no choice about doing the action. And it is also structured with have to plus an infinitive. For example, number 1, I had to go to school on Saturday. Number 2, my parents had to sell our beach house. Now, advisability with should have, which is used to express that there was a good idea or a correct action in a particular situation, but it was or it was not done. And it is structured with should have plus a past participle. For example, number 1, he should have taken better notes in class, but he didn't. Number 2, she shouldn't have bought such an expensive jacket, but she did. Now, necessity with needed to and didn't need to. Here, the action was considered to be necessary or unnecessary. However, unlike have to, there is a choice about doing or not doing the action, and it is structured with needed to plus infinitive or didn't need to plus infinitive. For example, number 1. I needed to make an appointment with the counselor. Number 2, we needed to go to school on Saturdays to get extra credits. Number 3, I didn't need to buy the textbook, but I thought it looked interesting. Number 4, we didn't need to study for the tests because we were ready. Now lastly, no obligation with didn't have to, which is used when there is a complete choice about doing the action, and it is structured as didn't have to plus infinitive. For example, number 1, I didn't have to book my flight so early, but I wanted a good seat. Number 2, I didn't have to take piano lessons, but I wanted to. Please make sure you practice, and if you have any doubt, let me know down on the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. See you on the next topic.